Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S4 and today I would like to show you how you can turn off auto rotation on this device. First of all, access tab menu. Now find screen rotation icon and click on it. As you can see, now it's blue. That means that auto rotation is definitely off. You can also though go into settings, choose my device, click on display, scroll down and tap on auto rotate screen. If the square next to this feature is white, that means that auto rotation is definitely turned off. You can always turn it back on by tapping on the same square. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!